Hi, I am Tara. This is new watch of Appa. Let's explore it. Oh no, Appa watch is broken.
Tara, have you seen my watch, Tara?
No, Appa, I have not, Appa.
Where did I keep it? Where is it? Oh, it's broken. How did it break?
I don't know, Appa. I don't know.
Tara, did you break it?
No, not me, Appa.
So, you don't know how did it break?
No, Appa, I don't know.
Okay.
Appa, are you upset on me?
No, Tara.
Appa, so let's play something now. I am getting bored.
Okay, let's play true or false game.
True or false game? Yay!
Whatever I say, you have to tell if it is true or false.
Okay, I will just bring my true or false card.
Yes.
Ready, Appa? Shall we start the game?
Okay, let's start.
Yes, ready.
I can catch rainbow.
No, Appa, it's false.
Tara studied today.
Yes, I did, Appa. Yes.
Did I took Tara to mall?
No, Appa, you did not. False.
Tara ate an apple today.
Yes, I did. It was yummy. True.
I flew to get my watch repaired today.
You can't fly, Appa. False, Appa.
Tara broke Appa's watch.
True.
So you broke the watch, Tara?
Appa.
Why did you lie to me about this?
Sorry, Appa. I broke your watch. But it was a mistake. I got scared that you will scold me. So I lied to you.
I understand, Tara, but see, I didn't scold you at all and I got watch repaired also. But I could have liked it if you have told the truth.
I did not want to upset you, Appa. That's why I said lie to you, Appa.
But what I feel upset was lying about it, Tara. We are proud of the child who tells the truth.
I got it, Appa. Now I will always be brave and tell the truth. Appa, did you ever lie when you were little?
Yes, I did, Tara. Do you know what my Appa told me?
What, Appa?
He taught me an important thing.
Say, Appa.
A lie will never let you rest. But a truth is always the best.
What does it mean, Appa?
Telling the truth may seem difficult for the first time, but once said, truth makes the way ahead very easy. And lying may seem easy in the beginning, but it creates many problems afterwards. You have to be many lies to cover up the first lie.
Yes, Appa. Once I lied to you about breaking the watch. I had lied again and again about other things too. And I was not feeling good after I lied to you. I feel sad in my tummy.
And how are you now feeling after telling the truth?
I feel nice and lighter.
Yes, very good. Promise me, Tara, you will always tell me the truth.
I promise, Appa. I understood now. A lie will never let you rest, but the truth is always best. Can I say another truth, Appa?
Say, Tara.
I love you, Appa.
I love you too, Tara.
Yay, I love you.
So the moral of the story is, if you tell the truth, you don't need to remember anything in your life. Thank you.